So today we're going to talk about authority. So you've downloaded your human design chart and you've already identified, am I a generator, manifesting generator, projector, reflector, or a manifester? Now I want you to look at the notes and I want you to look under authority. This represents how you are supposed to be making decisions for you. So I commonly hear things like, what do you think about that? For making decisions. Or it could be, use your women's intuition. And I'm calling bullshit, because the reality is when you have learned about human design, you're going to learn that there are different methods for each individual to make decisions. So that's not necessarily going to be correct. So let's jump in and I'm going to show you all the different types and give you a basic understanding, because really understanding how to live properly and how to make decisions properly is going to stop you making very costly errors and mistakes. So the first one we've got here is the sacral authority. So this is where the sacral is activated on the chart. Generally, it's going to be only generators and manifesting generators. This is about following your gut. This is actually the only one that is connected to the word intuition. But I need to explain to you how intuition works in regards to human design. So firstly, intuition is about learning to listen to the sounds that is coming out of your body. So as you're listening to me talking, or as you are watching something or reading something, you need to start taking note of all the sounds coming out. So the sounds are going to be your yes and no. So your yes is going to be the Your no's are going to be And also, if no sound comes out, that is also a no. So start taking note and listening to the sounds coming out of your body. Now, people get intuition and emotional very confused. So I'm going to cover that one next. So the emotional comes from the emotional solar plexus. Okay, this one is about being emotionally clear. Now, when I'm talking about I want you to make a decision based on the emotions, this is about how you feel. So intuition is sound coming out, and now we're going to go into how you feel. Now, with this, I'm going to ask you to start learning, especially with big decisions, to say to people, can I please come back to you with that in regards to giving an answer? And the reason why I'm saying that is because this emotional center, and depending on whether yours is colored in or not, depends on the size of the literal waves that you're going to go through. So what happens is that you need to ride the up wave and the down wave and the up wave and the down wave to get really clear on how you feel about something. So when I'm saying get into the body now, I'm wanting you to feel, does my body, when I'm got this decision to make, feel good or bad? So get out of the head, okay? Because in none of these is the head applicable. Because when there's a saying, when you're in your head, you're dead. So I want you to get into the body and I want you to see, does it feel good or bad? Where am I feeling it? Do I feel like I'm being strangled? That's a no. Do I feel all nice and juicy up here in my chest? That's a yes. So I need you to ride the emotional wave. And if this is not colored in, it's going to be big waves, because the information is coming from the outside in when it's open, and when it's colored in, it's coming from the inside out. Very different. So I need you to ride the waves, then come back with your answer. So the next one we've got here is the splenic authority. This takes a little bit longer for you guys to really get clear on this, because this is a pulse that's that quick. So when you need to start listening to your body, you need to get clear on that pulse. You need to know when it happens, it means go, now, do, right timing, okay? The next one we've got here is ego manifested authority. This comes only from the manifestors because they have got the heart activated. And what this is about is, they say, do what you want. So this is about your heart's desire. It's not what you think, it's not what you feel, it's what does your heart actually desire. The next one we have is ego projected authority. Be true to yourself is what it says here. So this is generally projectors will have this one, and this means that your heart and your identity center has been activated. And this one is, it's like butterflies, like little butterflies. And this is what we call the inner knowing. You just know. You can't explain how you know. You just know. You know when something is right. You know when something is wrong. The next one we've got here is called self-projected authority. This one is when you've got your identity and your throat are fully activated. This one is about talking out loud. So feel free to be crazy and talk out loud, because the more you talk out loud, you are going to hear your own truth. This is really important that you do this and you start talking out loud, because you will know what's right and what's wrong as soon as you do this. The next one is the sounding board authority. And this is when the head and the third eye, or the ajna, is activated. And for these guys, they get actually a lot of mind chatter. So with this one, this is about getting other people around you and bouncing the ideas around. And when you bounce, you will find your yes and no. The last one we call the lunar cycle authority. This is for reflectors. As you can see, everything is open because you're getting every piece of information coming from the community and from the outside in. Everything's manipulated and negotiated with when it comes to you. So to get clear, the 28 days is a lunar cycle. For big decisions, you must literally wait a full 28 days to make that decision, because you are going to ride so many waves. And this is how you'll really get clear on what is the right and the wrong for you. So if you're looking to do a career change or purchase some property, or do something that's really big in your life, please make sure that to know what your truth is, that you wait the full 28 days. So that is authority. Go back, have a look at what yours is, go and have a listen to your section again, and start making the correct decisions for you.